Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode with me, Stu. I have this Ford F150 2013. We're gonna do the brakes. Alright, this is the brake right here. Caliper, bracket, 2 bolts hold the caliper, 2 bolts hold the bracket. We're gonna replace the brake pads and the rotor. Alright. As you can see, the pads are almost metal to metal, so it's about time. We're gonna hit this with a 14mm socket. I'm saying break it loose. You don't need to use this wireless ratchet, but I do it because I want to do it fast. I'm saying, while I do all this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the share button, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Now we're gonna pray out the caliper. It's a little bit thick. Check the piston. Piston is all good. Now we'll remove the brake pads.
No.
Like I said, almost metal to metal. It's about time we replace this. Alright. I want to give shout outs to my new subscribers, old subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Thank you for the help, the support, and the love. Now with an 18mm socket, short one, we're gonna remove the bolts that hold the bracket. Alright. Take a look at the rotor. This is the inner side is thin, the outer is not that bad, so that's why we're replacing the rotor too. We'll remove the bracket. Alright. Now we're gonna brush the hardware of the bracket. Okay. Always check the sliders. If the sliders are hard, try to what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull WD-40 if it's hard, so it slide in and out, in order to remove it, clean it, and re-grease it. Alright, put it back. We're gonna do that with both sliders. One looks good, the other one's hard, so we're gonna do that with the WD-40. Alright. Also, I want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. So do that. It's not that difficult. It's like any other job, except more interesting. Yeah, I mean, as to guru. Sometimes this slider or the sliders in the bracket, they're not gonna come out with just by using WD-40. You have to heat it up and then, I'm saying, all that. But in this case, I guess I was lucky. I just pulled WD-40, turned it, and it came out. I did my thing, re-grease it, clean it, re-grease it, put it back. Yeah, that I mean. Now we're gonna remove the rotor, hit it from the back with a hammer. I'm doing like a back and forth. Now we'll remove it. All that we're gonna clean it with a brake fluid. You know what I'm saying? Then next we're gonna install the new rotor. Now the rotor we can spray with some brake cleaner also, because some of these rotors come with with a grease on them. Okay, you want to remove that because you don't want to get it in contact with the new brake pads. Now we're gonna push the piston back with the brake tool. I call it the piston pusher. Yeah, I mean, by doing this, you also check if the piston is not frozen. If it's frozen, then you're gonna have to replace the caliper. But in this case, the piston is good, so we're just gonna push it back and keep doing the thing. Yeah, I mean, we'll push it all the way back. We'll remove the brake tool. Okay, good catch. Now we're gonna grease the bracket hardware just for the brake pads to slide nicely. Alright. Now we put the bracket back. We put the bolts that hold the bracket back. Yeah, I mean, First we're gonna turn it like 3 times, and then hit it with the impact gun if you have one. If you don't, you can use your ratchet. It's okay. You don't wanna mess the thread, so that's why I turn it first with the by hand and then hit it with the impact gun. These are the new brake pads, as you can see, shiny, brand new. Me. Okay, and we're gonna install the new brake pads. Like so. Hey, pay attention. No. It ain't that crazy to install the new brake pads. You did. We do it just like this. We check they all the way against the rotor, and that's it. You can put some grease on the outer side of the pads so the piston and the caliper don't stick to it. We put the caliper back. Now don't forget to put the 2 bolts that hold the caliper onto the bracket. Alright. Now we do the same. Now I'm gonna turn the bolt by hand like 3 times and then hit it with a ratchet so I don't mess the thread. Yeah, I mean. Okay, once you tied it, snug it good, go to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal, okay, until it gets hard. Then open the hood, go to the engine compartment, look for the brake fluid reservoir, see if you need some. If you need some, top it off, road test it, and that's it. Look for the weird sounds from the brake. If there's none, then you're good to go. Before I go, I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate the help, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, destroy that. Hit the like button, do the same with the share button. Maybe your friend has a F150, give it to them, they're gonna appreciate it. And the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Anything you need to say, put it there. I need to know that. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. Estuvo.